Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have a song here from LACHIE GILL featuring Elaskia. This one is called Right People, Wrong Time. Beautiful song there, and it fits guitar very well. We have the capo here on the 3rd fret, alright? And we have not chords in the usual way when we use them as strumming. We'll just pick notes there from certain chords there. There will be 4 different chords. So we'll go over the notes that are used for these chords. So let's take a look at the 2 notes there that are used for the G. So you're going to alternate between 3rd fret on the E string and answer with the open G string. So 3rd E and open G. So 1 round will be like that. That's the G. The next notes there are based on the C chord, and it sounds just like that. So you will now alternate the 3rd fret A string, the bass, with the same open G string. All right, so that's the C, 1 round like that. Then we have the next chord here, that's the D. What you do, you just slide up here to the 5th fret on the A string, and you play that note, and you answer on the open G string. So 5th A and open G. And then we have finally the E minor, and these 2 notes are the open E string and open G. So 1 round is simply like that. So the open G string will be with us all the time here. Then you just switch bass notes depending on which chord. And that is actually how they play if you watch the music video as well. So very easy to play this one. We'll look at the different parts now. So if we start here with the verse play, you're gonna play 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of C, and 4 rounds of D. So G2, C2, D4, like this. 2, 3, 4 again. G, 2, C, 2, D4. Very easy. All right. Then we'll go over to the pre-chorus part. And there we'll be playing C2, D2, E minor 2, then G2, C2, and D2. Okay, so C2, D2, E minor 2, G2, C4, 3, 4, D2. And after playing the D2 there, you will add this note and then a big pause that builds up for the chorus play. And that note will be found here on the 4th fret D string. So right below there on the 4th fret D string after you play the 2 of these. And then a pause there. And then starts the chorus play. Okay, so over to chorus. You're gonna play G2, C2, and D4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So second round. Then comes the E minor 2, C2, D2, and G2. Okay, so G2, C2, D2, and G2, and then you're gonna play an end to continue with G2 again, so that will be G4 practically speaking. So E minor 2, C2, D2, and G4, then C4, D2 plus the added notes on the 4th fret D string. So after you play the C2, D2, and E minor 4 for 2 rounds, then you're gonna play E minor 2, C2, D2, G4, C4, and D2 plus the added notes. So like this. chorus play. So a big chorus part there. Just to summarize that one, it was the G2, C2, and D4 for 2 rounds. And then after that, E minor 2, C2, D2, G4, C4, D2 plus the added notes. And there, guys, you have all the parts to handle song, beautiful song called Right People, Wrong Time. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if it was helpful, please let me know. Hit the like button there, and I hope to see you soon. So play tuned.